For this code, me and my partner used Python. We made a guessing game where the computer rolls a die and you try and guess the number it will land on, either 1 through 6. Let's run the code. You can choose the color of your die as a fun feature. And then you take any random guess in the computer. If you guess the number correctly, you are awarded 50 points. If you miss the number, you get 0 points. It caps off at a maximum score of 200 points. Let's see if we can get there. I don't think we're going to get to 200 points. However, if you get 200 points, it says you won a maximum 4 times.